This is the second video in the Bryan Advisor Briefings, How to Use DegreeWorks. DegreeWorks provides a personalized degree evaluation for each undergraduate student. Your DegreeWorks evaluation is a guide to help you create your educational path and allows you to keep track of all your degree requirements for graduation. On your DegreeWorks evaluation, you will find every requirement for your major and/or minors that you must complete in order to graduate from UNCG, and it should be used every semester when planning your next term, as well as to make a long-term graduation plan. Undergraduate students can access their individualized DegreeWorks report through UNC Genie. From the university's homepage, www.uncg.edu, select the Genie bottle icon in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click on Enter Secure Area, where you will be prompted to enter your user ID, which is your university ID number, and your PIN. Once logged in, select the Student tab on the top left side of the page. From the subset of menu options under the Student tab menu, you will select Student Records and then choose DegreeWorks from the list of options. The key to reading and understanding your DegreeWorks evaluation is to understand the symbols and color shading used. Requirements that you have satisfied will be denoted by a green colored check. Requirements that are in progress will be denoted by a blue colored tile or a squiggly. And any requirements that are still outstanding will be denoted by an empty red checkbox. If you have questions about what these symbols mean, just scroll to the bottom of the page. Here, you will find a legend that will provide information on what various symbols represent. Let's explore a summary of each block and the important information each section contains. The Student View block will provide an overall summary of your personal academic information, including your academic advisor, cumulative GPA, and major or majors, and minor or minors. If applicable, academic standing and any account holds that may prevent future course registration are listed. The Degree block will provide you a simple summary of your graduation requirements. Each requirement listed will have more detailed information further down in the degree evaluation. The General Education Core block will provide you with all of the General Education Core, GEC, requirements that you will need to complete to graduate from UNCG. The @ symbol in DegreeWorks is a wildcard. Depending on where the symbol is, it can indicate that you have a choice of what department or course number to select. For example, when you see a double @ symbol with attribute GFA, that indicates that you can take any course number in any department as long as that course carries the GFA attribute. While at UNCG, all undergraduate students must complete a designated number of Writing Intensive, WI, and Speaking Intensive, SI courses. The General Education WI, SI markers block will help you keep track of how many additional WI or SI courses you need. The General Education Global Markers block will provide you with how many Global, GL, and Global Non-Western, GN, courses you must complete to graduate from UNCG. All GL and GN courses have an international focus integrated into the class curriculum. As a new Bryan School student, you are required to complete a number of pre-admission courses before being fully admitted to your major. As a pre-admitted student, you will find your pre-admission requirements listed in your Bryan pre-admission course block. The major concentration blocks will outline your major requirements. In the major block, you will find what major-specific courses require a C or higher. Depending on the requirements of your academic program, you may have a concentration block with additional courses and requirements as well. When you see a colon between two course numbers, it indicates that you have an option of taking any course number within that range. For example, Eco 300:599 means that you can choose any economics course that has a course number between 300 and 599. If you have taken courses that are not fulfilling one of your specific graduation requirements, it will be listed in the electives block. If you choose to withdraw from a course, earned an F in a course, or did not earn the grade necessary for it to count towards your major requirements, you will find these listed in the insufficient block. If you have questions about your degree works evaluation, please contact your academic advisor in the Bryan School. Now that you know how to read your degree works, proceed to the next video, How to Search for Classes.